Hi, this is Haspa with WTI. And so a few months ago, I finally upgraded my headset because I spend so much time teaching online and listening to music. And honestly, these Logitech H390s in this super cute rose color have been such a good decision. What matters most for me is comfort. So these are super comfortable. They're padded everywhere on the ears and on the headband, so I can wear them for long hours of classes with no headaches. And I love that I can extend them and adjust the size depending on my hairstyle, like a big bun or curls. And something I thought was really smart is that the ear pads are detachable and replaceable. So when they eventually wear out, I don't have to buy a brand new headset. And so I am constantly muting and unmuting during lessons. So the controls on the cable are a lifesaver, and also the volume buttons, super easy to reach without having to click on anything on the computer. The USB connection is plug and play, no setup stress, and the sound quality for the price, just give it a listen.
1, 2, 3, testing, sound check. Hello. Hello, hello.
So yeah, if you're like me and you are teaching online all day, enjoying music in between, these are comfy, cute, and super practical, and I would highly recommend them. And that's just my point of view.